Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am uploading a recipe for savory rice and lentil cupcakes. It is an innovative recipe. Hope you like it. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take rice, split black lentils, bengal gram, split green lentils and split lentils. Add fenugreek seeds to it and wash and soak it in water for 8 hours. Transfer it to a mixer grinder and grind it into a smooth paste. Then transfer it back into a bowl. Add yogurt to it, mix it all well together and let it stand for further 8 hours. Peel and finely chop 2 carrots in an electric chopper as shown in the video. Alternately, you can grate it if you wish. Transfer it to the rice and lentil mixture which you had left to ferment with the yogurt. Finely grind the garlic, ginger, curry leaves and green chillies in the same electric chopper. Add a little water to make a smooth paste, as shown in the video. Transfer it into the rice and lentil mixture. Preheat an oven with the cupcake tray to 160 degrees Celsius. Add lemon salt and salt to the lentil mixture and give it a vigorous shake to make the mixture a little frothy. Add baking soda, coriander, cumin and turmeric powder. Then give it a vigorous shake as shown in the video. You can see the mixture has turned quite frothy. Then take out the heated cupcake tray and add a few drops of oil in each of the cups. Add cumin seeds in each of the cups if desired. I have prepared one batch with cumin seeds and another without. Both tasted equally lovely. Add the rice and lentil mixture into each of the cups. Just do not make the cups completely full. Leave a little rim for the mixture to expand. Then place it in the oven and cook at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Once that's cooked, a knife passed through the center of a piece will not stick to it. Then take it out and put it in the grill tray for further 10 minutes. This will give it a reddish golden color. Allow the tray to cool slightly and then separate the rice and lentil cupcakes with a spatula. Transfer it to a serving plate and serve with any of the chutneys or sauce of your choice. And enjoy the delicious savory rice and lentil cupcakes.